Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I will start the honeycomb book chapter first, 3 questions. Dear student, it is a very interesting chapter for you, and this chapter gives a lot of knowledge to you. Dear student, first we write before you read. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Dear student, in this chapter we will study about a king who has 3 questions. He wanted to know the answers to them. Now we will study what are the questions and how did the king get answers of these questions. In Hindi एक राजा रहता है जो 3 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर जानने का प्रयास करता है और वह जो है जानना चाहता है कि उसके 3 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर क्या है और वे 3 क्वेश्चंस कौन कौन से हैं उसको हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी विल स्टार्ट. द thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. Dear student, there was a king and the king had a new thought came in his mind that if a person knew these 3 things earlier, he would never fail in his life. एक थॉट जो है राजा के दिमाग में आता है कि अगर वह इन 3 चीज़ों के पहले ही जान जाए तो वह अपने जीवन में कभी फेल नहीं होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ द 3 थिंग्स आर: what are the right time to begin something, second thing is which people should we listen to, and the third thing is what is the most important thing for him to do. Dear student, in this paragraph the king wanted to know that what is the right time to begin something. माने किसी काम को करने का सही समय क्या होता है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज, दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या था, विच पीपल शुड ही लिसन टू, माने किस लोगों की उसे सुननी चाहिए, माने किस लोगों की बात माननी चाहिए. एंड थर्ड इज व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर हिम टू डू, माने उसके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है करने के लिए, माने सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है जिसको पहले करें. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पैराग्राफ. नाउ सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. द किंग देयरफॉर सेंट मैसेंजर्स थ्रू आउट द किंगडम promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Therefore, the king sent his messengers throughout his kingdom to know the answer of these questions. अब जो राजा है इस क्वेश्चंस का आंसर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पूरे किंगडम में अपने जो मैसेंजर्स हैं, जो मैसेज पहुंचाने वाले हैं, उनको पूरे किंगडम में भेज दिए ताकि इन तीनों प्रश्नों के उत्तर वह जान सके. Okay, student. Now, the king also promised a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Means the king also promising that anyone who give the answer of these three questions, he would give a large amount of money. Okay, student. Next paragraph. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. After hearing this, many wise persons came to the king and gave the answer of these questions in his own ways. जब किंगडम के लोग इस बात को सुने तो इन प्रश्नों का आंसर सभी लोगों ने अलग अलग तरीक़ों से अलग अलग माध्यमों से उत्तर दिए. Now, next paragraph. In reply to the first question, some said that the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. In reply to the first question, someone said that the king must prepare a timetable and follow them strictly. पहले प्रश्न के आंसर में कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि राजा को जो है एक टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए, उसको फॉलो करना चाहिए स्ट्रिक्टली. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. And by this way, all the wise persons said that by this way, everything do at the proper time. Hello, student. In reply to the first question, some said that the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at the proper time? Means, in reply to first question, some wise person said that the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. On this way, everything do in the proper time. कुछ वाइज पर्सन ने ये कहा कि हमें जो है उसे जो है एक राजा को टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए और टाइम टेबल को स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करके कोई काम करें तो सभी चीज़ें जो है अपने प्रॉपर समय पे होंगी. अदर सेड दैट इट वाज इम्पॉसिबल टू डिसाइड in advance to right time for doing something. And some wise persons said that it was impossible to decide the right time for doing something. दूसरे वाइज पर्सन्स जो थे उन्होंने कहा कि यह इम्पॉसिबल है, असंभव है कि एडवांस में ही सोच लेना कि कौन सा काम को जो है हम लोग पहले करें. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure. And the king also noticed that whatever it will happen, that it was foolish things for him. And always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. And the king also said that at that time we do the necessary things at the proper time. Means हम लोग जो चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं उसको हम लोग सही समय पे करते हैं. At others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. And other person replied that the king should have councils of wise men. Councils of wise men so that they help the king to do it at the proper time. कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि राजा को जो है एक वाइज जो मैन है, जो वाइज पर्सन्स हैं, उनका एक काउंसिल बनाना चाहिए. एंड द डियर स्टूडेंट, हियर इज अ मीनिंग ऑफ काउंसिल. काउंसिल इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल chosen to give advice or make rules. Means council is a group of person that give advice to the king. Okay? So the other person said that the king has the wise persons of council who help him to act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly, and they said that it was no any one person is impossible to decide correctly. उन लोगों ने यह भी कहा कि केवल एक आदमी जो है को कोई करेक्टली किसी चीज़ को डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता है, यह इम्पॉसिबल है विदाउट द हेल्प फ्रॉम अदर्स. माने उसको किसी न किसी की सहायता की ज़रूरत होती है. द राइट टाइम फॉर एवरी एक्शन, एंड देयरफॉर दे सजेस्ट दैट द समवन हेल्प अदर्स द राइट टाइम फॉर एवरी एक्शन. डियर स्टूडेंट, here we complete, and I hope you understand very well. And if you have any doubt, any problem, then you ask me with the message or the phone call. Thanks for watching video. Thanks you very much.